Have you ever walked past a shiny new car and thought, can I really afford this? Let's be honest, most of us have. But before you get swept away by that new car smell, let's ask the real question. Is it the right move for you and your wallet? Today, we're not just talking numbers. We're talking about your life, your goals, and how to make the smartest decision for your future. Let's figure it out together. Hey friends, welcome to Smart Money Moves by I. I'm here to help you make smarter financial decisions without all the boring lectures. Today we're diving into a big question many Americans face. Should you buy a car? And can your monthly salary really afford it? I've been there too, staring at my budget, wondering if a car payment would ruin my plans. So let's break it down together. Okay, picture this. You're scrolling through car ads and you see that perfect car. But have you ever stopped to think about how much it really costs? It's not just the price tag. It's the loan payments, insurance, gas, and even repairs. That stuff adds up fast. Let me ask you this. How much do you make each month? Think about it for a second. Now, how much of that are you willing to give up for a car? Be honest, does it fit into your goals, or is it just a nice to have? Let's make this personal. What does owning a car mean for you? Is it freedom? Is it convenience? Or is it just keeping up with your friends and neighbors? Comment below and tell me, why do you want a car? Trust me, there's no wrong answer. We're here to figure it out together. Here's the thing, not all cars are created equal, and neither are salaries. Let's look at some real examples. $3,000 a month salary. You could go for a reliable used car around $15,000, but don't even think about that $50,000 luxury ride. $5,000 a month salary. Now you've got some options, maybe a new mid-range car, but you'll need to watch your other expenses. $10,000 a month salary. Sure, you can afford a luxury car, but is it worth it? Or would you rather invest that money in your future? So tell me, what kind of car are you dreaming about? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know if you're team sedan, SUV, or electric. Now here's a tough question. Do you actually need a car? If you live in a big city like New York or Chicago, maybe public transportation or ride sharing makes more sense. But if you're in a suburban or rural area, a car might be non-negotiable. The point is, owning a car isn't just about money. It's about your lifestyle, your priorities, and what makes sense for you. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, and that's okay. Here's my advice. Before you even step into a dealership, do these three things. 1, know your budget. Follow the 24-10 rule, 20% down, 4-year loan max, and 10% of your monthly income for car expenses. 2, think long-term. Can you handle the maintenance, insurance, and unexpected repairs? 3, ask yourself, is this car helping me reach my goals, or is it holding me back? Remember, a car is just a tool. It shouldn't stop you from building the life you want. So, what do you think? Can your salary afford the car you want? Let me know in the comments. I'm here to help you figure it out. And if this video got you thinking, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's debating their next car purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Money Moves by AI for more tips on making smart, life-changing decisions. Together, we'll make sure your money works for you. See you in the next video.